Hey, it's Gabrielle. Welcome back to my channel. We have hot cocoa cookies at home. Not just any hot cocoa cookies. This cookie is a chocolate fudge truffle cookie. It's got mini marshmallows baked into it. And to pair it with it, we got a red velvet hot chocolate that goes perfect. You're gonna have yourself an evening, a time. The oven is ready. Let's get into it. All right, in a saucepan, I'm going to melt some butter and chocolate chips. You can also use baking chocolate, or you can use half of baking chocolate and also chocolate chips. Gonna melt that all together until it's nice and smooth and chocolatey. Now that your chocolate is melted, we are going to crack some eggs, 3 to be exact, and also then after that add some sugar, and we're going to whisk or beat that until the eggs and sugar are just like light and fluffy and kind of pale. You'll kind of see the color start to change, but we definitely want it just nice and fluffy and all of the egg blended into the sugar. All right, I'm going to add a little splash of vanilla, about a tablespoon to be exact, and we're going to blend that in there with the eggs and sugar. After that, your chocolate mixture should be cooled off. You don't want it too hot because of course it's going in with eggs. So if it's too hot, it might scramble on you a little bit. So gonna add the chocolate mixture to the eggs, vanilla, and sugar. And we're gonna blend that all together. Now that the eggs and chocolate and everything is all together, we're going to add in flour, baking powder, and salt. You want to make sure that you blend all of the dry ingredients before you put it into the wet mixture. That's very important when we're making cookies, and we're going to gradually add that just so you don't have a huge flour and cocoa powder mess. Right, now come the chocolate chips. We're gonna just add a little bit of extra character to our chocolate truffle fudge cookie batter. And then also, you already know, after chocolate chips, we got what? We got the mini marshmallows. Your batter will be very fudgy. Let me let you know that right now. This is not a recipe that you can just scoop the cookies off and put it on the sheet. You need to refrigerate this recipe. So just give yourself enough time, at least an hour, I would say, in the refrigerator. But if you can, put them in overnight. If you just, have some time, but at least an hour. You want to wrap it with plastic wrap Make sure that you wrap the mixture just so, you know, air and stuff won't get into it. And we're gonna put that in the fridge. And I'm going to line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Whenever I'm making cookies, I love using parchment paper. It really just helps your cookies kind of bake evenly. And I'm going to get a cookie scoop. This is kind of a big cookie scoop, but you're gonna just drop cookies onto your cookie sheet. Spread them out a little bit because the cookies will spread. So, you know, give them a little space. It's COVID and stuff, you know, just give it some breathing room. 6 feet, we need social distancing on the cookies. I like to flatten out the dough a little bit, and then I like to add more mini marshmallows in there, you know, because you can just never have enough marshmallows with hot cocoa. I literally can't drink hot cocoa without marshmallows because I'm a child, clearly. Gonna put these in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes. You can kind of look and see when they're, you know, browned. The bottom will kind of have this gooey situation because of the marshmallows, and they're just so chocolatey, so fudgy. Y'all, these cookies are just, they're my favorite to make right now. So I hope that they become a favorite of yours. Super fudgy, super chocolatey, and perfect for Santa if you want to make it with the kids too. Thank you so much for watching. Now I'm gonna, you know, do a little ending talk, and I'll see you next time in the kitchen. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the kitchen next time very soon. Peace, love, and good food to you.